Good day, everyone. Welcome to this training tutorial on our inventory management system. This inventory management system is suitable for any supermarket, mini market, mini store, pharmacist, all these local shops, mini shop. So it's suitable for any distributing system like Guinness distributor, uh, any other distributor is suitable for them. They can use it to manage uh, their business effectively. It's very effective. I'll be showing you now. Don't mind me. Please pardon me. My name is Olubenga and I'm representing Diamond Service Limited. I'll be taking you through the system now. I'll be showing you my screen. What are you from here? You will know what the system can do. So let me share my screen with you. This system is a property of Diamond Service Limited. Oh, I don't mean I'm sharing the wrong. Okay. See, Spider-Man, I'm coming. Okay. Here we are. Yes, fine. This is the dashboard. After setting up of this system, the where Damio Limited logo is, the that is where the company logo, the business logo will be. And we will create a login system, login credential for the business. Like this one now, I'll be logging in. I'll click on login and the system will load. Oh, I think I need to re-log in again because the tab has been open for a very long time. And okay, I'll click on login after putting the password. Okay, here we are. Here we are. So this store is for IG Global Store. You can see from the dashboard. This is the most this is the beautiful part of this system. From the dashboard, you can determine what has happened in your business. So from here, you can see purchase deal, sales deal, total sales, expenses, total customer, supplier, purchase, and invoice. You'll be able to see it here. Here you can see today. These are for today. You can click to see the one for weekly. You can click to see the one for monthly. You can click to see the one for yearly. You can click to see all. This yearly. You can see the yearly has value because it's been a while we have used this demo. So here also from the dashboard, you can see the purchase sales expenses bar chart. With this chart, purchase is in red, sales is in blue, while expenses is in green. And you can also change the color. You can see the pie chart is a pie chart. So from the dashboard alone, you can see recent invoice. These are the printed invoice, paid, 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 created by admin, created by admin. If you have a sales rep, you have a cashier, and you create account for them, their name will appear here. not by admin. You will see the amount, the total, the customer. Here says working customer, working customer, working customer. This one says Newton. There is a customer called Newton, so the name will appear there. I believe you are following. Now, in the user mode, you'll be able to create user. You'll be able to see the user list. These are the user list. And you can create user. This one was created as cashier one, the login. The first one is manager. The second one is cashier. The third one is store admin. So you can create many user as far as they are within your business, or they are within your organization. Now here we have role list. In this role list, you can manage the role. This cashier, we have the cashier is front store sales personnel. Now you can create another role. By creating another role, you click on create role and you put the name of the role. Maybe let's say storeman or store personnel. And you put the description here. Now you select what access you want to give to this store personnel. You select the access, maybe as user. We'll be able to add, edit, that is user. But now in user, I just want the store personnel to be able to view. I will not select all because I just want the store personnel to be able to view the user. Then row should be able to view row, cannot add row, edit or delete. Now tax, there is nothing store personnel want to do with tax. Unit, there is nothing. Yes, store personnel, because store personnel will be the one that will input the product on the system. So should be able to add units, view units, should not be able to edit. Once he has add, should be not be able to edit and should not be able to delete it. If store personnel wants to delete the unit created, he or she have to get in touch with the admin or the manager. Now payment type. The store personnel should be able to view the payment type because they are not making payment with him or her. The cashier will be the one that they will make payment with. Now warehouse, yes, should not be able to delete, should not be able to edit, should be able to add warehouse and view warehouse. Now store should be able to, there is nothing, the store personnel should not be able to edit store. Dashboard should be able to view dashboard. Yes, information board, recent and sales chart, recent added item, recently added item, stock alert list, trending item chart. Yes, the store personnel should be able to view all that. Account, there's nothing store personnel have to do with account. Expenses, nothing. Item, yes, fine. Store personnel should be able to import item, print label, because they'll be the one to arrange. They are the one in store. Services, yes, should be able to ask services. Store personnel should be able to view, transfer stock only. Should not be able to add, should not be able to transfer stock from one warehouse to another. If he or she wants to do that, they have to get in touch with the manager of the store, all of the company. Stock adjustment, yes, he should be able to view stock adjustment, add, edit, should not be able to, no, should not be able to delete. Okay, stock adjustment should be able to view stock adjustment. If store personnel want to adjust a stock, they have to get a written permission from the manager, and the manager will give him or her an access to adjust to just to cope every form of fraud. Brand, yes, view brand, variation, yes, should have access to this. Supplier should have access to this. Customer, yes, should be able to view the customer. Customer advance payment, yes, should be able to view. Purchase, view. Purchase payment view, yes. Purchase payment add. Payment deleted, show all user purchase invoice, yes. Should be able to do that too. Purchase return, should be able to view purchase return. Purchase return payment view, yes. Fine. Purchase return payment deleted, no. Show all user purchase return invoice, sure. Then says include POS, has nothing to do with that. Says payment view, yes. You should be able to view, not to do any other thing. Show item purchase price while making invoice, yes, fine. Coupon, no. Okay, the store personnel can view coupon. Customer coupon, the store personnel can view customer coupon. Quotation, can view quotation. Show all user quotation, yes. Sales return, should be able to view sales return. Show all user sales return invoice, fine. Should be able to view all, and so on. Message, send message, yes, fine. Should be able to send WhatsApp message only. Or report, should be able to see to purchase report. See summary report, yes. Stock transfer report, should be able to view stock transfer report. Sales return payment. Sales item report. Stock report, yes. To be able to view stock report as well. Supplier item report, yes. To be able to view that. Sales return report, should be able to view that as well. So after you are done with all this, you can see about 30 rows are available with this system. Show about 30 links. Once you are done, you just click on save. Do you want to save records? Yes. Store personnel now have access to all these rows. Now you just go to user list. User list. You can just create a user. Input username. Store 025. First name John Abel. Email John Abel or johnabe@gmail.com. Then row, you will now go and select store personnel. So all the rows that we set up on row list will now, this person will have access to it. You create password, confirm password. You will now have, you can, because with this system, a company can have 2 or 3 warehouse, 2 or 3 branches, 2 or 4 branches, and so on. So it depends. So you select which one is it, system warehouse, IG Global Store. It depends on the one you create. You can choose System Warehouse. You can choose IG Global Store. Then select default warehouse. Default warehouse should be IG Global Store. Group group warehouse. Now you can also system. You can also attach system here. The two. So you click on save. Okay, you have some okay password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you click on save. Do you want to save record? Yeah. Save. We have created John Abe as a store personnel in IG Global Store because I choose IG Global Store as a default warehouse. That's it for that user. Here we have sales. In this sales, we have POS. We can add sales. We can see sales list, sales payment, sales return list. Now let me go to the POS, which is the most important part of this system. Now here it says system warehouse. But I want to sell now using, I don't want to sell using system warehouse. I want to sell using IG Global Store. It will now take me to IG Global Store and shows the quantity, the products that are available and the quantity. You can see this one has 30 stock available. This one has 0. This one has 0 quantity. Now, if I go to system warehouse and click on it, you will see that the one that has 30 quantity before now has 0. This one that has 0, it has 21. This one that has 0 on IG Global Store has 28 because they are different store. You can have different store within this same application and you'll be able to manage it. Those that are in your store 1, you can name it store 1, store 2. Those that are in your store 1, we just have to sell from store 1. They will just have to sell from store 1. And once you are setting it up, you must have set up a user for a particular store. So the user cannot sell, the one you set for store 1 cannot sell from store 2. Once they want to make a try to sell from store 2, the system will then tell him that it cannot, the person cannot. That is it for that. Now, I want to sell, okay, let me go to IG Store, IG Global Store. Now I want to sell this demi trackers at the rate of 4,018 naira. Once I click on it, it will come here. Now I can increase the quantity to 2, 3, 4. The price still remain, but the discounts, because I set up a discount on this system, the discount is this. Now the tax, I set up a tax 7.5%, 7.5% as VAT. This is the tax. Now the subtotal will be this. Now we say we have 4, and the 4 is at the rate of 4,018 naira. So 4,018 naira times 4, then remove the discount and the tax from it. This is the balance. And don't forget that the quantity is 30. The quantity here is 30. And the quantity that shows here is 30. So after selling 4 out of this 30, the quantity will reduce by 4. Are you getting it? So here, when you scroll down, you will see the quantity that I want to sell for. Total amount is 15,000 plus total discount. Do you want to pay all? Or, for example, if you are dealing with a company, an organization that run distribution company, for example, a distributor for a Guinness, for a Coca-Cola, for a 7-Up, and all other, for a distributor for Golden Penny, and so on, they may want to pay a multiple time. So if they want to pay a multiple, you can click here. If they want to pay in cash, you can click here. If they want to pay all, they don't want to pay in multiple, they want to pay all, you can as well click here. Let me click on multiple. I click that I want to pay in multiple. Then you select the amount you want to pay out of the 15,000 naira. Let's say I want to pay 9,000 naira. Are you paying in cash, bank cash transfer, POS ATM, or check? Do you understand? So let me say I want to do transfer. Now, I must have set up a transfer payment, the account they can transfer to. I must have set it up here. Now, the total item is for, total is 15,993 naira, which is total payable is 15,193 naira. But total paying, I'm paying 9,000. The balance for this amount is 6,994 naira. Do you get that? Am I collecting change? No, because I'm not paying full. I'm not collecting change. But now let's say I still want to pay in multiple. But instead of me paying 9,000 naira, I want to pay 17,000. I want to pay 17,000. Now you can see for the item. Now so total payable is 15,994 naira. Total paying, I'm paying 17,000 balance. I don't have any balance left. Change return. I'm returning as in the customer, I'm returning 1,006 naira back to the customer. So the system will count that the customer pays 17,000 truly, but the customer collects 1,006 naira, 1,006 naira, then 4 kobo. So when business, uh, the business owner is doing his or her account, you'll be able to know that though the customer purchased 4 items and pay 17,000, but the customer collects, because the total amount the customer is supposed to pay 15,994 naira, but the customer pays 70,000 and collects a change. Now you can save and print. You can save and print, or you can save. So better say you save and print, and the system will allow you to send it to a printer. That's it for that. Now I can pay all. I can click to pay all. Now here is it. The system will load and tell you what you want to pay for. So you'll be able to send it to a printer directly. Let me open it for you. So you see, this is how the invoice will look like. So here down here, I don't know, maybe you are seeing this invoice, or I already. Okay, let me stop sharing and share again, so I can share with you this invoice that I generated. Okay. Okay, you can see this is the invoice that the system generates. Okay, you are seeing it. So you can see IG Global Store, so, email, invoice number, the customer is working customer, seller, the admin is the seller, date is 10/05/2025, 10th of February, quantity. These are the details of the product. Now, is the person paying in cash? The option, the payment option that you choose will appear here, that the person paying cash or POS or transfer check. Then the term and condition that you must have set up before will appear here. Thank you for patronizing us. Check your goods before leaving the premises. Good bought in good condition cannot be returned. Thanks for your visiting. Thank you for visiting us. Thank you. Visit again. It's as simple as that. And with this barcode, you can just send it to a printer. I believe you understand. This thing is in black and white because no printer connected to this system. That's why it has to be in black and white. So I want to stop sharing this invoice and share the main So I believe you are seeing it. Now let's, oh, the quantity I selected, that one has, because I've sent, believe that I have sent it, and record saved successfully. The record must have been saved. Now I still want to show you something here. I have not tried this, but let's try it together. Are you sure I'm sharing the right content? Hope you are still seeing my screen. I believe you are still seeing my screen. Okay. So now I want to show you something still. Okay, fine. Now let me click on, it was previously 30 stocks, but I've already said, now out of these 30 stocks, I sold 4. Remaining how many? 26 stocks. Yes, I still want to show you something, that I want to sell one out of these 26 stocks, and I want to hold the invoice. Probably the customer have not paid. You can click on hold the invoice. Hold invoice, same reference will replace the old list if it exists. You can hold this invoice with reference number that must have been generated before. Probably this option is because probably the customer have not paid, so you can hold the invoice. Now, from here, I want to return to uh to the modules. So I can click on dashboard. Then the system will take me back to the module. And from the dashboard, you can even go to the POS session by clicking this or Shift P. You can click this POS logo or Shift plus P. Now that is that for sales. Now contact. The contact is for your customer. You can store the customer name. For example, as I said earlier, those businesses that has to do with a large number of inventory, like Guinness distributor, Coca-Cola distributor, 7-Up distributor, Golden Penny distributor, Dangote distributor, those that are distributing flowers and so on. Yes, they can make use of this system. They can store the name of their customer, the contact of the customer, and so on. The name of their supplier, the contact of their supplier. They can store it. They can import it as well, instead of adding it one after the other. This advance is when customer pay in advance. You can add the customer and the amount the customer pay. You choose the date, you choose the customer, new thing, the customer account, you add the amount that the person pay in advance, payment type, is it cash, transfer, POS, and you will input a note and save. The system will be in advanced list. It's as simple as that. This is a coupon. Like this this upcoming festive, like this Valentine festive coming up, you can create a coupon for your customer that will allow your customers to buy even when they don't want to buy, because you give them a discount. That you buy 10, you get one. You buy 40 packs, you get one pack free, and you give them the coupon. Once they come during that Valentine period, the coupon will be added automatically to the sales. And you give them a limit. I say until when the customer buy a particular number of items before this coupon will work. Do you get? Now quotation. This quotation is to receive a quotation from your supplier, from your service provider. That this, they can send in a quotation and you can save the quotation here. Purchase. This one has to do with the goods you purchase. When your supplier supply you a goods, you list, you put them here, you list them here. So this account, this allow you to manage your bank account, the account to pay, the sales account, the expenses account, the expenditure account, and so on. Money transfer list, deposit list. Let me see account type. Let me see the number of account that's available. No, we have not. Okay, we only added one. And this is, I think it's Zenith Bank. So you can put the account name, parent account name here, and so on. You can edit. You can create. You put the name. You put the name. That is it for account module. Here is items. These items has to do with your inventory, what you are selling. They are items, either product or services. You can as well add it up here. If what you are selling is services, you can add them up here. If they are, for example, these services have to do with, for example, hotel. Yes, hotel can use this system. They can add their menu, they can add their rooms, and so on. And everything will be here. Rooms is a services. So once they go to POS session, they'll be able to see the room picture, the amount, and once they select it, they'll be able to generate invoice for a customer that will be occupying the room. So it's also, this system can also work for an hotel. Here is stock adjustment list, transfer list. Here will be the, we have talked about adjustment, stock adjustment, and stock transfer. We have talked about it before. So these are the stock you make adjustment on. This is where you're going to see the list. And the stock you transfer from one warehouse to another, you are going to see the list here. Expenses. You see, you can create category of expenses. Maybe there are a lot of expenses. Maybe fuel expenses, rental expenses, and so on. You can create this category of expenses. All you need to do is first to create the category, then expenses list. You create the expenses. Then places. This has to do with your country, your territory, where you are occupying, where you are selling. Then messages. This allows you to send a message. I click on it. This allows you to send a message. You can put phone number, 080, and put comma to separate them, and type your message and send it. Once you already set it up, it will go directly to the customer. It's as simple as that. And the most interesting part of it is the reporting aspect. From the comfort of your home as the business owner, you don't need to move around. Just come to this report aspect. You'll be able to see the profit and loss report, sales and payment report, customer orders, GSI reports 1 and 2, sales GST reports, and so on. You'll be able to see those reports here. Stock reports, expenses report, purchase report, seller point report. Probably you have a seller point where people sell for you. You will be able to monitor them here. You can see there are a lot of reports here that are made available. Sales return payments, stock transfer reports, and so on. And here, you will be able to create warehouse. You can add warehouse. You can see warehouse list. When I click on warehouse list, you will discover that it's only 2 warehouses that is available here. And the worth of each warehouse, the worth of this total item The system warehouse has 2 items, and the worth of the warehouse is 463,400 naira, but it's restricted because it's system warehouse. And the second one has only 1 item, and the worth available quantity of that 1 item is 26. It was formerly 30, but we sold 4. So, and the amount is 106,080 naira. So from here, we'll be able to see the worth of each warehouse. I think is well understood. And here is where we are the one to set it up. It's where we set up your store. We configure your store, your WhatsApp, your currency, and as well, and so on like that. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, if you have any query, kindly get in touch with us via our WhatsApp number is 080-644-34890. Once again, is 080-644-34890. As well, you can reach out on you can send a mail to us at support@damio.com.ng. Sorry, support@damio.com.ng. Nice meeting you. Nice doing the business with you. Thank you.